Confidence is not pride. You can love yourself without worshiping yourself. Hello everyone, my name is Loretta Olika and I am also known as Queen Lori. Pride says, I don't need God, while confidence says, with God I can. We were created in the image of a bold God. Stop apologizing for shining. The same God who said, be humble, is the same God who said, let your light so shine before men. So why are you dimming your light to fit fragile egos? You can be gentle and still great. You can be kind and still powerful. That's not arrogance, though. That's anointing, favor. Fake humility hides light, while godly confidence reflects it. Now let's talk. Have you ever been made to feel guilty for being confident in your calling? I hope this helps. Bye!